Hi, my name is Erica Barr. I'm the founder and CEO of Daxe. I've spent the past 10 years in data pipeline management, building machine learning models for Fortune 500 companies. And another one of my key responsibilities before leaving the corporate environment was helping to integrate AI solutions into their products. And one of the key issues that we found as we were doing these integrations was that the accuracy for the AI was just not there. It caused huge issues for enterprise adoption. And at that time, I decided to quit my job and began a US Department of Defense incubator program. It was there that I found the government also had a huge need for secure and accurate AI solutions. So that is exactly what Daxe is. We target 98% accuracy on retrieval. We also focus on the security aspect, being able to have a self-hosted LLM in a GovCloud environment, and then scalability, being able to scale across multiple departments within the government. So why are we the right team for this solution? I want to talk a little bit about Ibrahim, my co-founder, who spent the past 10 years doing pen testing for the federal government across all the different agencies. He also was a cybersecurity engineer at Deloitte. And then myself, as I had mentioned, I spent the past 10 years in data pipeline management for Fortune 500 companies. I also helped AWS with their AI go-to-market strategy. So I have sold to commercial clients and enterprise clients. One of our key differentiators is our technology, being able to have this structured semantic search where we can target that 98% accuracy and build best-in-class graph indexes that compounds over time, increasing the accuracy of the AI solution. Here's a high-level overview of our technical infrastructure. So you can see we built our vector indexes from scratch. Essentially, we're pulling unstructured data from text, documents, private information, putting that into a knowledge graph, which means we're structuring it, which allows us to increase the accuracy of the retrieval. And we're LLM agnostic, which means we can use any open source LLM and we can put that into a GovCloud environment. So here's how it works on a very basic level. A government entity has private documents and information. The user needs an exact answer. They can pick their own LLM, and then we use our proprietary search technology on top of that to pull the exact answer they're looking for. Here's an example with 10K documents. It says, do the company's agreements contain any clauses that could trigger indemnification or significant liabilities? It not only answers that question, but as you can see with the blue tab, it provides references as to where that information was found in the document, and it highlights it in blue. The retrieval market is huge. It's 150 billion, growing at a CAGR of 14%. And we have significant market differentiation because of our accuracy and also because of the security on-prem and being able to be model agnostic and the scalability of being able to scale with the government environment. Our clients love what we're doing. We have created an 80% reduction in time spent in searching documents. We're onboarding 250 customers right now. We have a CRADA agreement with the US Department of Energy. We have received money from the US Department of Defense, and we're currently in negotiations with EY to be a subcontractor for the Navy. I wanted to highlight this customer feedback from the CTO of the state of California. He has said that not only do we have a solution that can scale for enterprise, but it's safe enough for a government environment. Here's our business plan. We have an API connection and a platform self-hosted version. The government solution is kind of a mixture of those two products. As I had mentioned, we have the API solution and the platform version, and we currently are going to be starting our fundraise in May 1st. We're going to be raising $2 million, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.